Video 539 of the Atomic Ivy source. We're on file 896 part 39, thumbnail renderer part 4. We're gonna bug fix. Source code is here. You're on this playlist. If you want slower reviews, you can go here to the Ninja Coder channel. Technical demos are here. Let's get going here. So in the secret Qtbot data section, we've added some tags to find this easier. This is just like a little side quest here. And then down here, we added a story card 2, for another interesting thing that I could say on her dating show. So I want to get onto her dating show so that I can gather clout for the engine I'm working on. It's going to probably be it might be another year before I get on her show, just because I want to have some stuff ready, and I also need a really impressive engine. Like, I don't want to be like, hey, look, I got attention from a whole bunch of people. Hey, oh shit, I don't have a product to sell. That would fucking suck. So anyways, let's go down here, right? So we added that story card here to the array of story cards. And let's go to the bug fix. So the bug fix is down here in the Tileboy system in our array test section. So here's our array test function. And if we scroll all the way fucking down here, we have fixed this. We added the diagonal offset to this equation right here, and we've also wrapped this with a little diagram here. So if we grab onto this diagram tag, it's going to bring us down to a diagram that kind of explains the transformation from the origin to the final pixel that encodes the data we're interested in. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder. Like and subscribe.